Hello, welcome to yet another edition of our video. Today we are going to look at one of the utility app that we have always had on our computers, but maybe we don't know how to use it, and that is Google Drive. This is a utility drive that a utility app that gives you free storage of 15 GBs, and I know you can use this 15 GBs sparing and store your files in the cloud. Since we have gone now cloud, a number of things you need to back them up. So today let's look at how we can utilize this app and store files and share them with our loved ones. Number one, you need to go to your browser. You can choose any browser, either Firefox or Chrome or Explorer or Opera or Safari. But for me, I prefer using Chrome. That's just my personal preference. So I will go in my Gmail account. You can type gmail.com. If you've not yet signed in, it will require you to sign in. But personally, I've signed in already. It just loads it up immediately the moment I go to Gmail. So after that, we shall load the Gmail. Sorry about my network. Okay, the Gmail has loaded. This is my Gmail account. And from here, you go and click on the 9 dots you see up next to my profile picture. It says Google Apps. So I'll tap on it, click on it. When I click, it drops down a number of items. I'll pick Drive. So when you pick Drive, it goes into the new tab. Now in the new tab, you're going to be presented with this awesome window. Sorry about. Okay, so now we have our Google Drive opened. You can say I've stored a number of files in here. For today, we are going to go and click the new button. When you click it, you get a drop down menu. And for now, we are going to first create our folder, and I'll call it my storage. You can call it anything you want, as long as you know what it means. So I'll click create, and definitely you're able to see my storage here. So when we double click it and it opens up, it's going to open up. Currently we have no files stored in here, but they're telling us you can drop files here or use the new button to basically add your files. So when you go and click on the new buttons, this time around we're not going to click on the folder. We are going to say file upload. You can actually upload even a folder, but for one we are going to upload a file for now. So when I click the file upload, I'm presented with this wonderful dialog box. That is, so you can maneuver, you can go anywhere where your files are. For me, I'm going to be picking one out of these files, and I think let me store this image. You can even select many images to store at once by holding down Control and clicking on an image at once. So let me store the 3 images. So I'll click open, and you see in the bottom right corner they're uploading. And once it says 3 uploads complete, you can see them in your folder. Now you can select all of them like this by dragging across them and share them, or you can now go back to your drive and share that whole folder with someone. So our folder is here. Right now it's not shared. That's why you see it doesn't have this icon of a user or a person. But once we click on it, we get these 3 options. One is delete or remove. the other one is share, and then the other one is get the link. So we are going to start with this one of share. When we click on it, we get this pop-up or this dialog box. So this one is telling us to share with people. For example, I can type there my an email. You can type any email that you want to share this folder with, and you say you add a message, hello, please receive attached. Thank you. So once you do that, you can change the rights of this person. Either they are just to view the files or comment or edit. They are telling you editors can organize, add and edit files. So they can do anything with those files. So you choose depending on how you want it. For me now, I want to say, let the person edit. And from there, I will send. And like that, you finish sending that file. And you see it has changed the icon of the folder. So for example, if you want to send this this particular folder to a group of people, you can do the same with just one file inside this folder. If you had this file, you can only send one file like this by, you see when you click on it, you get the same options, although there is one that is added for previewing since it's one file. So you can do the same process we did. So let's try to share the whole folder to a group of people, let's say on WhatsApp. I will click on it, I get the options, and then I click on get link. Once I do that, this time around, what is highlighted is get link, not share with people. So this link, if you copied it now and sent it, it will not, someone who has it will not be able to see the file. So you have to come here and change from restricted to anyone with the link can be able to see. They can be able to view the files, or they can be able to comment, or you can give them editors rights so that they can edit. But that all is a decision you make as you. So for me now, I'm going to allow this person to what? To edit. Okay, let me just allow them to view the file since I'm going to send it probably to a group of people. So once you do that, you see that the link changes to green, and you can now click the copy link button and you're done. Now there, you have copied your link on the clipboard of your computer. Now you go in a new tab and load either WhatsApp. So for me, I'm going to do whatsapp.com. When I load whatsapp.com, I'm presented with the website for WhatsApp, and I can click on WhatsApp web. Now WhatsApp web will present to you with a screen where you can connect your phone. We are going to see in another video how you can be able to connect your phone, and you can receive your WhatsApp messages on the computer. So but the instructions are here. For me, I'm going to use my WhatsApp that I've loaded already in my computer, and that is WhatsApp. Let me see. I have already WhatsApp installed on my computer, but we are going to see another video. You can follow it on the same channel. So this is my WhatsApp. Now, from here, I have a number of people. I can send it to a group because I copied already a link before. So now I can send it to anybody that I want. So for example, let me send it to this person. So now since I copied, I now paste Control V. When you Control V or Command V on your computer, you receive the link that you copied from the other side, and you can be able to send it like that. As that, someone is able to access those files, the folder that you sent you stored on your drive. So as simple as that, you're able to share files, store them, and be able to have them backed up there in the cloud. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, I ask you to subscribe to our channel and receive more videos of this kind We are going to share more and more utility apps, how you can use them and harness the best out of them. I know there are a number of apps there, but we've not used them. So if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and be one of our community, or hit the bell icon to access these videos on every time we post. You get a notification. Thank you very much. This is the Church Media.